Well, I figured it was about time to go over the G56 swap I recently completed in my 2015 Ram 2500. It's a push-button start truck. Start off with everything works as factory. Uh, High idle works when you set the parking brake, and haven't had any issues out of it. It's been great. It really isn't going to be a super in-depth video. I'll be linking Three Guys Garage down below. I kind of went over some of the steps with him. He's going to be doing a more hands-on video, so if you guys want to go check his page out, got a lot of really good information on these trucks and just really good videos to watch. So some of the questions I've gotten: electronic transfer case. With this specific truck, everything works. It bolted right up. Drive shaft's laying there. Have yet to try it out. Waiting on the new one to get measured. Factory mega cab short bed with a one-piece aluminum drive shaft, that worked as well. I'll actually show you the clearance on it. Just polished up where the shaft rides in the slip yoke. But as you can see, everything fits good. This is a 68 RFE cross member with the G56 upper plate. Just had to drill the bolt holes out a little bit and bolted right up. G56 bell housing adapter plate. You can reuse the starter off of your 68 RFE. You can reuse your bell housing bolts. All that lines right up. Don't mind the mess, just doing a rocker box powder coating and cleaning some wiring up. But overall, like I said, it took about 15 hours in total. Didn't really need any specialty tools. I did most of it with a Craftsman little to-go kit, pretty much, and then an impact and torque wrench. Very little wiring actually had to be done, just a couple plugs and grounded some wires out, which I'll be going over a little more in depth tomorrow, get some daylight on there. And this is roughly mounted, gonna be doing a wire tuck. With the push button start, you will need a new RFH hub. You can get on moparparts.com and get one. I'll give you guys the part number up here, a little picture. You're gonna need to do some programming with Alpha OBD. You can get that on your laptop. Just plugs right in the truck. Everything you'll need to do for the BCM, reverse lights, all that fun jazz will be in there. For my truck, it's a little bit different with the RFH wiring. Normally you have to swap pin 2 and 15, but with this, I don't know, maybe it was just the updated part. I just plugged it right in and everything worked. You will need a manual tune file. You'll want to flash that on there first. So I did mechanical install and then flashed my tune, did the RFH and the wiring, and it was ready to rock and roll. I went with the South Bend dual disc clutch to pair with the S467 and bigger injectors and bigger pump. I'll be going over interior. Everything looks great in there. It's just right now a little dirty from work. If you've got any questions, please drop them down in the comments. You know, I've got plenty of notes over this, pictures, and I'll try my best to answer all your questions. And like I said, go check out Three Guys Garage and give them a follow.